Oh, wow. Where do we even start with these? Well, at the beginning, of course. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions. Ha. That's a question mark. Ha. Yeah. Comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, LOL. Surprise! We got your money. So how many did you buy? So there's two different series. The first series, these cool pink boxes showed up on card and you're unsure to see who it is inside. But then, once we were able to actually open some boxes here, we found out that you can squeeze them and they'll pop open. And that's how you can reveal your character inside. You don't have to pry on them or anything like that. Just a squeezing motion and it'll pop it open. Well, in knowing that, if you use that theory here on a card, maybe that'll work. Because we know in the bags, you can't see through the bags. There's nowhere to do it, but you can feel around on the head. And you can't tell what color it's going to be, but you can tell which one of the hairstyles that it will be. So you got to kind of take your chance. Is it going to be the one with the bow? Maybe the one with the side ponytail? Perhaps the one with the Mickey Mouse hat? Who knows? Who knows? But that is a way to find out the bagged ones. Kind of an idea, you know, oh, well, I'm missing one of the Mickey Mouse girls. That feels like the round ears, so there you go. Well, with these, what if we do the squeezing motion and it pops open? So we will try to do it. Oh, and it popped open. So there you can see the separation. So because there's separation, now in theory, I should be able to look inside to see what's going on. But, to help me, before we knew there was something to do with a flashlight that would help us. So, if we shine the flashlight inside of here, oh man, not sure if you can see it inside, but oh, that's pretty funny. It's tough, but you can see inside of it. You can see inside of it, and with the new ones, we're going to turn this off for right now. With the new ones that have come out, this is Series 2, with the light blue. As you can see, Series 1 is the pink. But when we pop this, so same exact way, oh man, you can really see it there. So, and I'm not damaging the bubble at all. So it's still cool. So I can't really press in on this side that much. So there's going to be some hair blocking it. So which one's going to have some hair blocking it? Maybe this one here, Dusk, perhaps. I don't know. We'll find out. Maybe we'll find out before we open it. But this side goes over pretty well. And maybe we can hit it with our light. Let's do some focused light. There we go. It's really hard to see. And then, oh wow. So the separation is there by far. Let's see if we can see where it's separated there. Yeah. So basically, keep working at it, and you can eventually find which PEZ dispenser it is you're looking for. But what I don't like about these, the backs of the cards have, it's just black and white pictures. I do like this LOL box here, because as you can see, everything is in color. But they also have these names, Stylin', Special, Super! They also have that here on the second version. But on these LOL cards, this is the one with the pink boxes, they have them labeled as popular, fancy, and rare. so styling, super special. Okay, regardless, they're fun. Oh, and this one right here, Cheeky Babe, only available in this box set. So if you are looking for it, it is an exclusive, easy enough for me to say, it's a PEZ candy dispenser! And that makes people smile, doesn't it? Of course it does. So, good luck. I hope you find them all. So until next time...